Oh, hey guys. I don't know what we're making. It doesn't make any sense. I just thought about it, and so now we're making it. It's gonna be a grilled cheese of sorts, but I wanted to incorporate buffalo chicken strips, and I wanted to deep fry the buffalo chicken. What I got here is I'm gonna teach you guys how to actually deep fry something and make fried chicken in a way people are confused. So we got some flour here. This is just all-purpose flour, so no big deal. Whatever flour you got, cool. We're gonna take a little bit of garlic powder. This is all I measured, just some of it. Technically, the flavor of this doesn't fully matter because we're gonna put buffalo sauce on the chicken, but you know, you want it to taste like something. That was onion powder as well. We got some paprika action. Cool. Some black pepper, always important. Don't go too crazy with the salt because you're putting buffalo sauce on it, so I'm only gonna put a little bit of salt. We're gonna whisk that up. Cool, easy. Next, we got some buttermilk. So I'm just gonna throw a little bit of that in there. You don't need that much. And then we got a bowl with 1 egg in it, sweet. Looks fantastic. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the buttermilk, put it in with the egg, just to stretch it out. You know, whisk up your old egg. You gotta dredge. This is where people get confused because sometimes they do the egg and flour, or they do the buttermilk and flour. We're doing all three. What you're gonna wanna do, you got your deep fryer hot, set to 375 degrees. We're gonna take ourselves our chicken. We're gonna dip her in the buttermilk first, then into the flour. All right, got that. Now it goes into the egg. Very simple. Then back into the flour mixture, right? It's going everywhere, it's getting silly. Now that is gonna be a nice piece of chicken. Gonna go into our nice, already preheated deep fryer. You don't need the basket, just put that down. Go ahead and take that chicken, lay it away from you, and you'll never get burned. We're gonna do that at least, I don't know, 4 more times. All right, we've been frying it for like, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and we're about done. If you take a look look how crispy. Look at all that crispy parts, and this is a boneless, skinless chicken tenderloin. This is what you wanna see. That's the buttermilk, that's the egg, flour. The way I did it, do it that way, and it comes out great. So we're gonna take these out. We're gonna let them dry off a little bit before we throw them in the buffalo sauce. That is some boneless, skinless fried chicken. I'm gonna take that, put those aside. I'm gonna cover that because it's super hot and dangerous. So we're gonna go with the grilled cheese aspect. I have a panini press, and before you start saying, but Brian, we don't have these appliances, blah, 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 blah. This was $30, this was $20. They're cheap everywhere. So back to the ingredients. We got good old-fashioned frozen Texas toast, garlic butter Texas toast from your freezer section. We got some Moore's buffalo sauce, which I believe, in my humble opinion, is the best buffalo sauce, like medium flavor buffalo sauce that you can get. It's one of the best, that's all I gotta say, trust me. And then we got some provolone cheese. I was gonna do American cheese, but 1, I don't have any, and 2, I just feel like provolone will probably be the move. We're gonna take the 2 best looking ones. I feel like it's this one. And throw it in there, and we'll take that one, and this one will be just in case I mess this up. Throw this. Put a little buffalo sauce on these bad boys. Real easy. Chicken is buffalo-ized. I'm gonna take a solid Texas toast. And I'm sure, you know, we could probably make our own toast with garlic and stuff, but why do that when they sell it at the store? We're not trying to win any awards here. I feel like there's butter on both sides of this bread, but I'm gonna put the most butter side down because that's what I want. Then we're gonna take our nice provolone slices, 2 slices per side, because we want this to be decently cheesy. We're going long ways here. Okay. This might be too much chicken. Take a little sauce. Pour the sauce on it. Cool. Oh yeah. And now, top it. This is almost too much going on here. Okay. All right, now. Okay. All right, it's a little intense. Didn't think this part through. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, I gotta just hold it so it doesn't go crazy. All right. Gotta hold it back with a spatula. All right, now we're just gonna wait for that to grill up. I feel like the butter, garlic on the ends of the Texas toast was enough. If not, you'll find out. Let me give you a little, wow. Come on now. This is why you need a panini press. Gosh. It's just as fantastic as I thought it was gonna be. All right, here we go. Jesus. I'll throw that right on the cutting board. All right. Let's get ourselves a knife. Oh, knife. See, you need a panini press for things like this, okay? Gosh, I didn't even expect it to come out looking that good. But you know what? It does look that good. We're gonna cut across, like we laid the chicken this way. We're gonna cut this way. Because you don't wanna cut this way, that'd be stupid. There we go. Now everything makes sense. See if we can get a sick cheese pull. I doubt it because I cut it so good. We're gonna let it rest for 2 seconds. And then we go, oh! Oh! Are we kidding right now? Let's get that. Yes. It looks so good. Cool. Put them on a plate like so. Bam. There it is, the buffalo chicken Texas toast grilled cheese. It's so easy, so simple. It took us less than 15 minutes to make. All right, we gotta take a look, okay? Look at that, look how good that looks. I feel like it needs more buffalo sauce. So, we're gonna put more's buffalo sauce, you know what I'm saying? Look at this.
Wait.
Just a little bit extra. And then of course we got some ranch right here. Hidden Valley is the best ranch ever, but unfortunately I have Ken's. Ken's is second best, but Hidden Valley would be top tier. Just to dip her in, you know? Then it's so good because like the garlic bread plus all the cheese, and then the chicken and the buffalo and the ranch, and it's just, out of all the ingredients, think of one ingredient that doesn't taste good. There's not one. So it's all really good. It's really cheap and easy to make, and come on, what are we, stupid? Like, look at this. This is a dinner that would please any 10-year-old. Your child's mad? What, they had a bad day at school? Make them sick ass sandwich. Your woman's mad at you? She wants a grilled cheese? Guess what? You just pumped it up. You just made it 10 times better. And also, let's talk about this for a second. You see this celery? I want to go and say, with buffalo wings, the celery is like, wings to celery, 60-40. Wings are 60% important because they're wings. Celery is 40%. That's how important the celery is, because I need it. I need that break. I need that cool, crisp taste in between the wings. I'm not gonna not eat the wings if there's no celery, but I'll be more upset if there's no celery. Well, anyway, this is a quick little silly food video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys later. Grilled cheese, garlic bread, deliciousness. What the heck? That's my lens!